Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the My Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, and more specifically, I'm going to answer the question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you add your name onto your My Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with these Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Cards, basically all they are is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. I believe I bought this one at Walmart, and then once you buy the card, then you can load money onto it one time for a pre-designated amount. This one's $25. You cannot reload these cards, but once you've added money onto it, you can usually use it at most places that accept Visa Debit, which is most places these days, including online. But how do you add your name onto the card? That's what we're going to talk about. So be sure to stick around to the end, guys. It's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved with this, or not a lot of information involved with this. So why would you want to put your name on the Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card? Well, that's pretty easy. In order to use your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card online, many times online retailers are going to ask for a lot of information about your card, like the 16-digit Visa number, the expiration date, and security code from the back. That's obvious. But also sometimes retailers are going to ask for the name, your billing address, and phone number that's associated with this card. Now, to make a long story short, you cannot change your name on the Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. You don't need to. So as you can see, mine says gift card recipient. That's obviously not my name. But here's what you want to do, guys. If you're going on to a website, let's say Nike.com or some other online retailer like Amazon, and you're inputting your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card information, when it gets to the point that asks for your name, go ahead and just put your name. Or you can actually put any name. It doesn't really matter, because the thing is, the online retailer mainly is going to check the zip code that you have registered with your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. The name doesn't really matter. You can go ahead and put Bart Simpson, and it should go through no problem at all, as long as the zip code matches and you have money on the card. But I might shy away from using a fake name whenever you're buying something online with your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, because if there's an issue with your order for some reason in the future and you need to get in touch with the retailer, and when they're looking up your order, if you use a name like Bart Simpson or Jean-Claude Van Damme, you might forget which name you used, and then it's going to be much more difficult for them to pull up your order. So it might be better if you just give them your name. That way, if there is an issue, it's easy for them to search for your order. But again, that has nothing to do with the verification process, at least for these Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Cards. I've used my Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card on Amazon, and I put random names in there, and it's accepted it no problem at all. And just to touch on this really lightly, really quick, if you will be using your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card online, you do need to register a zip code with it, and how you do that is just flip the card over. On the back, there's a website. Mine is right here. Yours might be different, so be sure to look on the back of your card. Also, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, or you can call the 1-800 number that's on the back. Here's my 1-800 number. Again, yours might be different, so be sure to check your card. Once you go through one of those two options and then you input your information, you should be able to update your zip code for your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. So anyhow, just to kind of sum it up again, as far as changing your name or adding your name onto your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, there is no option to do that, and in fact, it's not really necessary. You'll still be able to use this card online purchasing as well. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.